Coolant is the lifeblood of your vehicle's engine, keeping it at the right temperature and preventing overheating. Detecting a coolant leak early and addressing it promptly is crucial for maintaining your vehicle's performance and longevity. Here's how to identify coolant leaks and the practical ways to fix them. One of the first signs of a coolant leak is a sweet smell coming from your engine or under the vehicle. Another warning sign is a low coolant level in the reservoir. If you frequently need to top up your coolant, it's a strong indication that there is a leak somewhere in the system. Paying attention to these early signs can help prevent engine overheating and costly repairs. A more serious sign of a coolant leak is white smoke coming from the exhaust. If you notice this, it's a warning that the leak is internal and requires immediate attention, as continuing to drive can lead to severe engine damage. One of the simplest ways to detect a coolant leak is through a visual inspection. Carefully examine the hoses, radiator, water pump, and the area under the engine for any signs of wet spots, cracks, or corrosion. Look for traces of coolant on the ground where the vehicle is parked, as well as around joints and clamps where leaks often occur. A pressure test is a more precise way to identify coolant leaks that may not be visible during a simple inspection. By using a radiator pressure tester, you can pressurize the cooling system to its normal operating level while the engine is off. Any drop in pressure or visible coolant during the test indicates the location of a leak, making it an effective method for diagnosing problems that aren't immediately obvious. Replacing damaged hoses is a straightforward yet essential step in fixing coolant leaks. Start by removing the old, cracked or worn hoses from the radiator, engine and heater connections. Next, install new hoses, preferably original equipment manufacturer, to ensure a proper fit and long-lasting performance. Once installed, refill the cooling system with coolant and check for leaks, making sure the engine is ready to run safely without risk of overheating. Replacing a radiator is a common solution for a major coolant leak. The process begins by draining the existing coolant from the system to prevent spills and ensure a clean installation. Next, the old radiator is carefully removed, along with any attached hoses and clamps. A new radiator is then installed, making sure all connections are secure and properly sealed to prevent future leaks. Finally, the cooling system is refilled with the appropriate coolant mixture, restoring the engine's ability to regulate temperature effectively. Proper maintenance, timely repairs and regular inspections will help ensure your engine stays cool and reliable for years to come.